Top of the day, Buenas Diaz. Mamalika at todo samju duru itsen pagu ja nasita na prepara na bulat auto gi urizata no man flapladit lokwi ja nasita na espia e tempo para tatan afamale zatana siguro na man maule todo y familiata ki Interes Marianas, Guatas, i Philippines, dan lopigi todo risota specialmente man malango dan i mamopli etigi tachogwi sa sempre tafanalit talo lo during ding ding na talo i telepon Spencer lo. It's good to be back home on Guam. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm sorry it's raining out and thundering. Everybody, just please be safe and make sure that you take care and look over and help your neighbor out, whoever it might be stranded on the road, especially for the people who are sick and who are homeless. We pray for their safety and their shelter. Um, gonna definitely be talking to you tonight in your homes, and definitely if you can follow um, tonight at KOAM. Thank you very much to the Kalu family for allowing me to speak tonight and with Jussie Lujan's invitation. I just hope that you listen with an open mind, with an open heart, and that you understand that we're in this together no matter what. And we only have this one life to live. And if we don't make a difference, if we don't choose to make choices that are beneficial to all of us, just asking you to listen tonight so that I can listen to you, what you have to say. So if you have anything to say, please call up. You know the telephone lines. And let's just be in this together, and let's talk about our self-determination. Let's talk about our self-determination for once. And I stand as witness to all of you tonight that there's truly a greater thing that Guam is called to be and to do tonight. And always, not just tonight. It's our self-determination that matters. I'm proud to be Chamorro. Banido Suzu na Chamorro. Don't ever be ashamed to be Chamorro, because we're an international coalition that's running through our blood veins. Never be ashamed to be Chamorro, because that's what we are. We are United Nations people, and that we will choose and be the peacekeepers between nations and protect Oceania, to protect our Pacific Islands, and to protect and preserve and to come to an understanding. And all war, no more war. This kind of weather is a wake-up call to all of us to pay attention to each other and to other peoples around all of us. And do your best. I'm not perfect. I never said I'm perfect, but I always try to give you advice, and you can go with it. Take it. This is for the next generation of island children, and I ask that you please remember me on September 1st, 2012. Thanks. To Jusmasi, Hussein Guaizamjo.